and from the Side Marketing channel, your service. Today I want to create a 3 obstacles paddle game. First I want to play. If I click the green flag game start, uh, if it hits the ground, it will stop. And if the ball hits the pedal, the score increases. I will add background. I will delete the cat sprite and I will add ball sprite. Now I want to create a sprite now. Now I'm going to choose a square shape for my sprite. I'm drawing a rectangle. Now we can make this rectangle any color you want. I made it smaller. And now I'm using it as a pedal in my game. I'm going to make another sprite and use it as the ground. Now I'm going to change its color to make it look better. Now I'm going to name the sprite ground so it's easy to find. And now I'm going to draw some obstacles for my game. And I'm going to duplicate these obstacles to make more of them. Well, right now I have 3 obstacles in my game. I made a 3 obstacles and each one has a different color. Now we just need to name each obstacles so we can find them easily later. Now I named my obstacle 1, obstacle 2, and obstacle 3. I named this sprite ground, this one ground, this one paddle, and last one ball. Now everything has a name. Now I'm going to write some code for my ball so it can move and bounce in my game. When I click the green flag, point in direction 180, and I added starting position for my ball and connected it to the code. You can choose any place you like and set your ball's position there too. Set size to 240. I want to say if my ball hits the ball, it should be 5 steps away. And when I click the green flag, forever. Uh, if an edge wants move 10 steps, 5 steps. When I click the green flag, forever, if what will happen? Touching pedal, if touching pedal, I bring point in direction. I go to operators. I add this code. I say what will happen. I put in the number 180 here and 160 here. And here I put my direction. What does it mean? It means this is my bow and this is my pedal. When my bow hits the pedal, it should bounce back in the opposite direction, which is 160 degrees. I want to say if it touches obstacle 1, obstacle 2, or obstacle 3, the same thing should happen. So I duplicate this code. If copy it 3 times, then just need to go to the touching black guy. It the name of the obstacles. I make the code for all 3 obstacles. Now, let's write code for the other sprite. I made the code for all 3 obstacles. Let's write code for the other sprites. Let's go write code for obstacles. When I click the green flag, I say what will happen forever, and uh, if touching the ball, hide and wait, and wait 0.2 seconds, and show. I put this code. I'm creating a variable called score. Okay, and now change score by 1. By doing this, I can use this code inside my other sprites. I add this code to all the obstacles and the pedal. We've added code to all sprites, only the ground and pillow are left. I want to write the code to move the pillow. Uh, then space case pressed, right arrow key pressed, and change x by 10 and change x by 30 and no left key pressed, change x by minus 30. I want to write code for the ground. I say, then click the green flag forever. What will happen if touching ball uh, stop forever? Stop all. Uh, let's check my game is working. And when I click the green flag, the game starts. And when I click the green flag, the game starts. And when I click the green flag, the game starts. And when I click the green flag, the game starts. If it touches ground, the game stops. And if it touches the pedal, it gets a score. Thanks so much everyone for watching my game. My next game is War Rocket and Space Robot, please. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, alligator.